Well, good morning, and how are we today? This is Fiona the turkey. I have a running joke with Andrea that it's a chicken, but it clearly is a turkey. I unfortunately don't have any chickens. Nothing that looks like a chicken. Oh, golly. That humidity got to me. I had to cut the hairs. What are you going to do? I'm in the kitchen. I got my apron on. I got my hot mittens on. This one, hilarious. Written this year, a couple months ago. It's called Chicken Goo. Chicken Goo. Olivia's a little bit off camera here. She's there. She is looking very intrigued at me, like, what are you doing, Dad? No, just kidding, the other way. And this is day. Oh yeah, there you go. Keep going. Oh, now I see. I don't know. I see Mommy now. Oh no, it's gonna go way towards you then. Day 66 of the 100-day challenge. No, I think she's over the book. She's over the kisses. Kiss the baby. What? There's the baby. Hi, Olivia. Good morning to you. And how are we? Yes, we good. Okay. Dad's gonna play a song so Mom can go to work. Day 66 of the 100-day challenge. I mean, I'm starting to feel it. This is just crazy that I have to wake up and do this for you guys. Just kidding. It's not that I have to get up and do it for you guys. It's that I chose to do the 100-day challenge, and like a non-quitter as I am, just gotta finish it. Gotta get her done. This one written a couple months ago. It's called Chicken Goo. TC, what's up, man? How you doing? Ma, how you doing? Good to see you too. Chicken goo. It's for me, yes, and it's for you. You gotta set the oven to 400 degrees. You gotta set the timer for about 30 minutes. And by the end, when the timer rings, there's no more chicken goo, just good food for me and you. And the pan is smiling about the lack of chicken goo, 'cause it's all hot and bothered when we're done ready to eat. Let's throw in some veggies too. Monica, what's up? We gotta make it healthy version for the world, you know. Especially when we got the summer garden growing. We got veggies popping out every day. Let's throw in some broccoli. How about maybe some carrots and peas? No onions, no thank you, not for me. It hurts the tummy. Can't forget about the best part. Yeah, you gotta make sure you add some of that gravy. I mean, who doesn't love gravy? Who doesn't love gravy? I ask. That's what this song started from. I was playing in the kitchen and my wife came and said, "What you doing?" I said, "I'm just messing around, babe." I said, "What you doing?" She said, "Well, I'm making some chicken goo." Chicken goo. Chicken goo. Chicken anybody here can throw in some chicken in a pot, a pan, and throw in some gravy too. Throw in some veggies or whatever it is that you like for you. And then you just turn that oven up to 400 degrees. You set the timer for 30 minutes, please. And then dinner, it is served. And you got that chicken goo to start, but when it ends, oh man, you got some tasty food. Now, of course, if it were me, I'd throw in some toast, a little butter and garlic. Ooh. Maybe make one of those poor man salads. You just take lettuce, yes, people, lettuce and mayonnaise, mix it all up, and that's it. That's the poor man salad. So good. And it goes really well with your chicken goo. But make sure you cook it for your sanity. Maybe your health too. Probably not good to eat that salmonella chicken. No, so make sure you have that oven hot for 100 degrees. And make sure you set the timer for 30 minutes, please. And then that chicken goo, it turns into something so delicious. Oh, no more chicken goo. No more chicken goo. Just a nice hot supper for you. What's that, little baby supper? Little baby supper? I already played that one in the jams. But that's the end of the song. It's called Chicken Goo. I was having some fun in the kitchen with baby. Ooh, no more chicken goo. Dad needs a nap after eating his chicken too. Probably should take a walk though instead. Exercise off all that chicken. Day 66 complete. What do we got? 34 originals to go. That's 34 more days. I was doing the math on that, and unfortunately, I won't be able to play all of them in the kitchen of my home. We'll be going on a vacation here in a couple weeks, and you'll probably get about 7 to 9 days at camp, which is exciting. Change of venues. And then we have a special treat for you on day 100. I'm not quite ready to reveal what that is, but you already know what song it is. So location probably changed. Has changed. Location has changed. Well, that's all I got for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Harold, what's up, man? Roger, how are you? Love seeing you guys. I love when people pop up like in the videos so that I can actually talk about it. It gives me something to add to it, little flair piece. How's the golf game, Raj? Hopefully it's good. Keep your head down and smooth swing. Let the club do the work. That's my advice for today. Yeah. Have a wonderful day. This humidity is absolutely killing me, hence the haircut. Oh yeah, took it down yesterday and then I shaved it, so I lost about 10 years. Yeah, right? Now I can be like, yo, I'm like 24, man. I'm a millennial. I don't do anything but play with my phone and tell people that I gotta do stuff. Not do stuff that I don't want to do. You know, that work ethic, we lost it. It's alright. We'll figure it out. We'll probably just start working on the internet. That's what people do, right? Make all kinds of monies. Nobody wants to go to work no more. Can't find anybody to do any work. Nope. World's going to couch mode. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye now for now. I see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.